After installing Delta Pixel from the Shopify App Store and selecting the plan according to your need, this page will appear. Now click on Get Started. In the first step, you need to enable the app in the Theme Customizer. Click on Theme Settings option here. You'll be redirected to the Themes editor. Find Delta Pixel under App Embeds. Enable the app and click on Save. Now go back to the app and click on Next. Now in the second step, you need to enable the custom pixel. For this, first copy the script given on this page. Now click on Customer Event Setting. You'll be redirected to Customer Events. Here click on Add Custom Pixel. Enter the name of pixel and click on Add Pixel. Paste the script copied earlier in code box of the pixel you created. Click on Save. Now click on Connect to connect the pixel. Go back to the app and click on Done. And now you're good to go. Connect your pixels and enjoy seamless trackings.